While Australia's island status has helped protect our crops and environment for many years, increasing travel and global trade makes us vulnerable to the smallest of pests. Plant pests and diseases are difficult to detect and can quickly spread, posing a massive threat to our agricultural industries. Our agricultural sector needs to be able to identify pests quickly and accurately, so action can be taken to control not only the local pests, but also exotic pests from overseas. Many exports, such as grains, are required to be free of certain insects, diseases and weed pests. If any pests are discovered, they need to be identified to ensure that the shipment complies with export requirements. If this isn't done quickly, the costs of keeping the ship docked while waiting for fumigation can be crippling. But distance and dwindling human resources for plant diagnostics are significant problems. In the past, government field officers identified the pests in the field and offered solutions to farmers. But as these officers began retiring, they have not been replaced. The result is a rapid decline in the availability of diagnostic experts that, according to CSIRO, will only get worse. The key to controlling pests is fast and accurate identification. The longer it takes for pests to be identified, the more difficult they are to contain and the more extensive the damage. The problem is that most pests are found on farms a long way from city-based experts in taxonomy, plant pathology and entomology. To meet this challenge, the Plant Biosecurity CRC has developed Pestpoint, a system designed on modern social media principles to facilitate remote identification of plant pests. With a small handheld wireless microscope, a trained user can obtain highly magnified images in the field, so there is less need to send specimens to a laboratory for microscopic examination. Using the Pestpoint app, the images of the pest and the damage they cause in the field can be immediately shared with a network of colleagues and specialists anywhere in the world. Experts can identify the pest and provide advice on how to manage it to minimise crop losses. Each Pestpoint identification also contributes to a searchable database of information, which can be used for pest alerts, fact sheets and pest distribution maps, while providing big data to the National Pest Surveillance System. The more data Pestpoint collects, the more powerful it becomes. Pestpoint allows users to create private networks for sharing pest information amongst members and for managing their own pest data. Information can be shared with experts outside the network on a case-by-case basis, ensuring privacy for all other unshared data. In developing countries where diagnostic expertise is scarce and plant health systems are poorly developed, Pestpoint can provide locals with access to a pool of regional and international experts. The health sector revolutionised medical diagnostics with global network World One, which is used by 1.8 million health workers. The Plant Biosecurity CRC's Pestpoint has the potential to make the same impact on international plant biosecurity. Whether it's the tiny capra beetle, Australia's worst stored grain threat, Panama disease, which can wipe out entire banana industries, fruit flies, or the many other local pests that affect our crops, Pestpoint can help detect and manage pests and diseases quickly and cheaply by tapping into a wide pool of expertise and experience, while contributing to Australia's nationally coordinated biosecurity system. With the decline in skilled diagnosticians, increasing trade, more movement of people and stricter controls on biosecurity, Pestpoint can help do more with less.